Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a fun little video. I'm not quite sure how it's going to work out, but I'm going to do a full face using my mum's makeup. So a few things. One, my mum is a lot more tan than me, so her foundation obviously is going to be a lot darker than my skin. And two, she's not really super into makeup, so we don't have like, you know, highlighter, things like that. But we're going to give it a try. We're going to jump right in. So let's go. Okay, so we've got four things to pick between for the base. We've got a Garnier BB cream in the shade medium. We've got a Rimmel Wake Me Up foundation in the shade 303 True Nude. We have a Dream Cushion Maybelline in 21 Nude and a Maybelline Dream Liquid Mousse in the shade Classic Ivory. So I'm going to use the Dream Liquid Mousse because it's more my skin colour. So just want to go with that. So I'm just going to take this foundation brush and just put that all over my face. Okay, so my camera just went flat, but I put on the charger for a little bit and I blended the foundation while it was charging a little bit. And fair to say, I look very orange. Yeah, I knew this was going to happen, but anyway. Also, while the camera was charging, I was looking for a setting powder, and apparently, Mum does not own one of them. So, we won't be using one of them. So, I guess we're just going to move straight on to eyebrows. And she doesn't actually have an eyebrow pencil either, so I'm going to use this brown eye pencil and fill in my brows with that because I've got to work with what we've got. Okay, although it's not an eyebrow pencil, it still did the job, and funnily enough, it's actually like the exact colour of my hair, so that's a good thing. So I've learnt that Mum literally wears like no makeup apparently, so we've actually only got eyes. And okay, so we're just going to move straight on to eyes. So we're going to start with eyeshadow, and we've got these three very plain nude palettes. So I'm going to use this one, and it only has a few mattes in it. So I'm also going to use this Avon really old broken one. Yes. And this one is Rimmel London Magnifies Eye Contouring Palette. So I'm just going to go in with this shade here and put it all over my lid. Okay, now taking this Rimmel London palette, I'm going to take this colour here and just put it in the middle of my eyelid and blend it out. Okay, now I'm going to take this lightest colour here and put it on my inner corner and blend it out to the middle of my lid. Okay, that's all I'm going to do for the eyeshadow. I mean, it doesn't look very good, but we can blame me for that one. So the next thing that my mum does have in her makeup bag is she has this L'Oreal Paris eyeliner. And so it's just a liquid eyeliner, and I'm going to just apply this off camera real quick. Okay, I applied the eyeliner, and before anyone says it looks bad, I know but I don't normally wear eyeliner. Well, I never wear eyeliner, so yeah, that's why it looks so bad. Moving on to the second last step, we've got this Scandaleyes Retro Glam Mascara by Rimmel, and so I'm just going to apply that. I mean, my makeup's already gone to poop, so why not just make it worse? Okay, that's mascara done, and yeah, I'm aware it looks terrible, but we're just gonna deal with it. Okay, so next is lips, and although Mum was lacking in every other department of makeup, she for sure was not lacking in the lip department. So like all of these are nude, I'm just going to like pick the nudiest nude that is here, and then we will put it on. Okay, so this is what I have picked, this Rimmel London lipstick in the shade Rouge, and it just looks like that, so I'll just put that on. Okay, so that's my finished makeup look. It looks terrible. So there you guys go, that's my full face of makeup using my mum's makeup. I don't think it really turned out very well, and by the looks of it, she needs to get some more makeup. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'd really appreciate if you would hit the subscribe button, and I'll hopefully see you in the next one. Bye guys.